welcome you all in e-learning. Today we are going to see about standard 7 subject Sanskrit and 4th chapter by the name Hashya Yoga. The word Hashya Yoga means humorous jokes. Humorous jokes. Now let me see the lesson in detail. आपणिकः ग्राहकं प्रति. ग्राहकं means customer and prati means towards. So the very first word apanikah means shopkeeper and grahakam prati means towards the customer or to the customer. Etat yantram krinatum. Etat means this, yantra means machine and krinatu means buy. So the shopkeeper is telling to the customer that buy this machine. Krayan yogyam asti. Means it is proper to be bought. Now let me see the word meaning. First word is apanikah. Shopkeeper. Grahaka prati means to the customer. Etat yantram. Etat means this and yantram means machine. Etatam yantram means this machine. Krinatu means buy. Krayan yogyam asti. Krayan yogyam proper to be bought. So here in the very first joke they are telling us that there is one shopkeeper and he says, he converses with the customer that buy this machine, it is proper to be bought. Grahakam etasya ka viseshta asti. So the customer says etasya means of its, ka visheshta, what is the speciality of this machine. Now let me see the word meaning. Grahaka means customer. Etasya means of this, ka visheshta means what and visheshta means speciality. What is speciality? What is the speciality? So apanikah etat yantram bhavatah 50% कार्यभारम् अल्पं करिष्यन्ति. Apanikah, now the shopkeeper says, when customer is asking that what is its speciality, then shopkeeper says etat yantram, this machine, bhavatah means yours, 50% 50% कार्यभार means workload, अल्पम करिष्यन्ति, अल्पम means less and karishyati means will do. So the shopkeeper, when it is asked by the customer that what is its specialty, what is the specialty of machine, then shopkeeper says that this machine will lessen your workload up to 50%. This machine will lessen your workload up to 50%. ग्राहकः तर्हि कृपया द्वे यन्त्रे ददातु. तर्हि means then कृपया please द्वे यन्त्रे 2 machines ददातु give. So one shopkeeper is there and one customer is there. Shopkeeper is telling to the customer, buy this machine and it is proper to be bought. So customer says, what is its specialty? What is its specialty? So shopkeeper says that the machine will do your work lessen by 50%. So the machine will lessen your work up to 50%. So that customer says that then please give me 2 machines. Then please give me 2 machines. So if one machine is lessen my 50% workload, then 2 machines, with that my 100% work will be finished. So the the customer is thinking like this. Now let me see the word meaning. Etat yantra, that we have already seen. Etat yantra, this machine. Then bhavatah means yours. Bhavatah means yours. Panchashatam. Panchashatam means 50. Panchashatam. Pratishatam. Pratishatam. The word pratishatam means 50%. The word pratishatam means percent. Karyabharam. Karyabharam. Karya means work and workload. Bharam means load. So workload. Alpam karishyati. Alpam means less. Karishyati means will do. So tarhi then krupaya please द्वे यंत्रे. द्वे means 2, yantra means machine, dadatu means give. So here we have seen the first joke in which there is one shopkeeper and customer. Shopkeeper is telling to the customer that buy this machine, it is proper to be bought. So customer says that what is the specialty of this machine? Okay, what is the specialty of this machine? So shopkeeper says that this machine will lessen your work up to 50%. So the customer says that then please give me 2 machines. Now second number, shikshakah chhatrasya gruhakaryam drishtva. Shikshakah means teacher, chhatrasya of student, gruhakarya means homework, and drishtva means having seen. So or we can drishtva means having seen, but here we will take as after checking. Bhavatah gruhakarye bahavaha doshah. Bhavatah means yours, gruhakarye in homework, bahavaha many, doshah mistakes. So the teacher says that there are many mistakes in your homework. There are many mistakes in your homework. तान अपि भवान एव एक एव करोति. तान अपि भवान, अपि means also and भवान means you. एक एव करोति, you only do this mistake and only you do this mistakes. So one teacher is there and he is checking the homework of student, and he is telling to the student that after checking this, he says to the pupil that there are many mistakes in your homework. There are many mistakes in your homework, and only you do this mistake. You are the only one who has did these many mistakes. So student is answering to the teacher. See, Chhatrah, student, Mahodayah, sir, ete sarve dosha, ete this sarve all dosha mistakes. Aham ekah eva na karomi. I only do not do. So he says that I alone do not make all mistakes. I alone do not make all mistakes. Gruhapatalekhane, in writing homework, mama pita, my father, api sahayatam karoti, also helped me. So student is telling to the teacher, to the sir, that sir, I alone do not make all mistakes. I alone do not make all mistakes. My father also helps me in doing my homework. So it is not only my mistake, but my father is also involved in my homework process. So he is also there who has did this mistake. Now let me see all the word meaning. Shikshakah, teacher, then Chhatrasya, or student. Gruhakaryam, and Dushtva, after checking. After checking. Bhavatah gruhakarye, bhavatah means yours, and gruhakarye in homework, bahavaha doshaha. Bahavaha means many, and doshaha means mistake. Mistakes. So in your homework there are many mistakes. तान अपि भवान एक एव करोति. एक एव करोति. एक एव means only you. Only you. Karoti means has done. Mahodaya means sir. Mahodaya, sir. Aham ek sarve dosha. Sorry. Sarve means all, and dosha means mistake. Sarve dosha, all mistake. Aham ek eva na karomi. Aham means I, ek eva only one, na karomi means I do not do. Only I do not do all the mistake. Gruhapatalekhane, in writing homework or in doing my homework. teacher he says that, Sir, I alone do not make all mistakes. I alone do not make all mistakes. My father also helps me in doing my homework. So it is my father also who is responsible for doing mistake. Third number third number joke. Gruhaswami means owner of the house. Atithim prati. Atithi means guest and prati means towards or to the guest. Bhavan agacchatu. Bhavan means you and agacchatu means welcome. So here there is owner of the house means owner of the house. He says to the guest that please welcome. Swana bhayam na anubhavatu. Swan means dog and bhaya means fear. Na anubhavatu means do not experience. So you do not experience fear of the dog. So don't be afraid of the dog. Owner of the house is that, and he says to the guest that please welcome. Do not be afraid of the dog. Atithi. Kim sah na dasati. Kim sah na dasati. What? He is not biting. Does it is not biting? Gruhaswami. Tasya dansan swabhavah asti va na va iti aham api na janami. Tasya means of its. Danshana swabhava means nature of biting. Asti va na va has or hasn't. Iti this. Aham api. Aham means I. Api means also. Na janami do not know. So the owner of the house he says that to the guest that I do not know whether it has or hasn't the nature of biting. I do not know whether he has or hasn't the nature of biting. Yatah etasya swabhavasya parikshanam adhuna bhavishyati. Yatah, and further he says because etasya swabhavasya. Etasya means of this and swabhavasya means nature. Parikshanam, taste. Adhuna bhavishyati. Adhuna means now and bhavishyati means will be. So he says further that it has, I don't know whether it has or hasn't the nature of biting because it will be the taste of its nature right now. As you come in, then we will check it whether he is having the nature of biting or not. So let me see the word meaning. Shvanabhayam. Swan means dog and bhai means fear. So fear from the dog. You may note down the words in your notebook. Na anubhavatu. The word na anubhavatu means do not experience. Do not experience. Then the na dashati means don't buy. Don't buy. Then tasya means of its. And next word is danshan swabhava. Danshan. Danshan means biting and swabhava means nature. तस्य दंशन स्वभाव अस्ति वा न वा. Has or has not. Has or hasn't. Iti. Iti means this. Aham api. I also. न जाना मी. न जाना मी. I don't know. Then yet means because. Yet because etasya swabhava of its nature. Parikshanam. Parikshanam means taste. Adhuna bhavishyati. Adhuna means now and bhavishyati means will be. So owner of the house and one guest. So here we have seen that owner of the house says to the guest that please welcome, don't be afraid of the dog. Please welcome, don't be afraid of the dog. Then that guest asks a question. Does not it bite? Does not it bite? Then the owner of the house says that I don't know. I don't know whether it has or hasn't nature of biting because it will be the taste of its nature now. Because it will be taste of its nature now. As and when you will enter, then we will come to know whether he is having a nature of biting or no. Now fourth one. Ekada choradrayam vittokoshe lutthanam karoti. Ekada means once. Choradrayam. Chor means thief and drayam means two. So two thieves. Vittokoshe. Vitt means money and kosh. Here we will take it as a bank. So in a bank. Lutthanam. Lutthanam means robbery. Karoti. Karoti means to do. So once two thieves rob bank. Once two thieves rob bank. Bahuni rupyakani prapnoti. Bahuni means many. Rupyakani means rupees. Prapnoti get. So they get many rupees. They get many rupees. Gruham agatya. After robbing the bank, they came at home. Gruham agatya. Arriving at home. Vartalapam karoti. Vartalapam karoti means talk with each other. So once two thieves rob bank, they get money, rupees, and having came home, they talk. प्रथम चोरः फर्स्ट thief. कियत् धनं प्राप्तं तस्य ज्ञानार्थं धनगणना करोमि. कियत् means how much, dhanam means money, praptam got, tasya jnanartham to know that, dhanaganana counting of money, karomi I do or I am doing. Dritiya chorah means second thief. Vyartha shramam ma karotu. Vyartha means useless and shram means labor. Ma karotu means don't do useless labor. Swaha means tomorrow. Vartaman patre in a newspaper. Vartam means news. Agamishyati means will come. So when the first thief says that I am counting money because I want to know how much money we have got. When the first thief says I am counting money because I want to know how much money we have got. Then second thief says that don't do useless labor. The news will come in the newspaper tomorrow. That so we'll come to know about, so we shall know the counting. So whenever tomorrow in the news it will come that how much money we have received, we have got. Now let me see the word meaning. Ekada means once. Chora Drayam means two thieves with the Koshe means in a bank with the Koshe in a bank. Lutthanam karoti means do. So bahuni rutyakani money. Prapnoti get. And gruham agatya arriving at home. Gruham agatya vartalapam means talk. Vartalapam talk. Karoti means do. Kiyat dhanam. Kiyat means how much. Dhanam means money. Kiyat dhanam, how much money. Praptam means God. Tasya ganartha, tasya means to its, tasya gnanartha to know that, tasya gnanartha to know that, tasya gnanartha to know that, dhanaganna karomi. Dhanaganna means counting of money. second thief, तृतीयः चोरः. Second thief, तृतीय चोरः, second thief. व्यर्थ श्रमं मा करोतु. व्यर्थ श्रम मा करोतु. Useless labor मा करोतु means don't do. Means don't do. Then स्वः वर्तमानपत्रे. स्वः means tomorrow and वर्तमानपत्रे. In a newspaper. वर्तमान पत्रिका in a newspaper. Vartam. Vartam, the word here will take it as a news. Vartam means news. Agamishyati. Will come. Agamishyati iti eva, sorry, so will come. Tatah means so or then. So or then. Tatah गणना ज्ञानम भविष्यति. गणना ज्ञानम means no counting. गणना ज्ञान means we know counting. So here we have seen that two thieves are there. They are doing robbery in a bank. So once two thieves robbed bank, they got money. They got many rupees. Having come home, they talk with each other. First thief said, I am counting money because I want to know how much money we have got. First thief said, I am counting money because I want to know how much money we have got. Then second thief said that don't do the useless labor. Don't do useless labor. The news will come in the newspaper tomorrow. The news will come in the newspaper tomorrow. So we shall know the counting. So we shall know about the counting. Now you may note down the words in your notebook. Fifth number जो वृद्धः शंभुनाथः. वृद्धः शंभुनाथः. वृद्ध means old and Shambhunath is the name of a person. So old Shambhunath. Say मम पत्नी मम भोजनस्य पश्चात् एव भोजनं करोति. मम पत्नी means my wife. मम भोजनस्य my meal or dinner. पश्चात. पश्चात means after. एव भोजनं करोति. So old Shambhunath said that my wife takes dinner only after after only I take my dinner. Ramanatha, Bhavan Bharyaya sah bhojanam na karoti va? So he says that Bhavan means you and Bharya, the word Bharya means wife and sah means with. So Bharyaya sah means with wife, bhojanam dinner, na karoti va means do not take, you do not take dinner with your wife. Shambhunath said tatha kimapi nasti. Tatha means so, kimapi nothing, and nasti means not. So it is not so. It is not so. Mama bhojanasya paschat. Mama means my. Bhojanasya. Bhojanasya means dinner. And paschat after. Sa bhojanam karoti. Sa means she. Bhojanam means dinner and karoti. She takes dinner only after I take my dinner. She takes dinner only after I take my dinner. Tasya karanam, its reason, asti. Tasya karanam asti. So it has a reason for doing this, that I am always taking dinner first and afterwards she is taking dinner. She is not sitting with me. So we are having reason for that. It has a reason. Yatah avayo, yatah because avayo means both of us. Eka eva only one. Kutrim dantavali. Kutrim means artificial and dantavali means denture. Kutrim dantavali means artificial denture, or we can say false teeth. False teeth. Asti, because we are having only one denture. So whenever I am taking food, at that time I am using it. Afterwards, after completing my dinner, she is taking the same denture, and afterwards she is having her food. So that's why we are not sitting together. Always I sit first and afterwards she is taking her dinner. See the word meaning. First, vruddha means old. Shambhunath is the name of a person. So mama means mine, and patni. Patni means wife. Mama bhojanasya paschatam. Mama bhojanasya paschatam means after I take my dinner. After I take my dinner. Bhojanam karoti. Take dinner. Means takes dinner. Bharya means wife, and sabha means with. Bhojanam na karoti, don't take dinner. Means don't take dinner. So bhojanam na karoti. So tatha, the word tatha means so. Kimapi means nothing. Kimapi means nothing, and nasti means not. It is not like that, nothing like that. What I say is that paschat means after. Sa means see. Bhojanam karoti, takes dinner. Tasya karanam. Tasya Eka eva means only one. Eka eva Kutrim Dantavali. Kutrim Dantavali means false teeth. The word Kutrim Dantavali means false teeth or denture. Denture. So, Asti. Here, old Sambhunath is there. He is standing with his friend, and both of them were conversing. In that, Sambhunath said, "My wife takes dinner only after I take my dinner." So his friend Ramanath said, "Don't you take dinner with your wife? Don't you take dinner with your wife?" Then Sambhunath replied. Sambhunath said, "It is not so. It is not so. She takes dinner only after I take my dinner. It has a reason. It has a reason because we both have only one denture. We both have only one denture. So first of all, I finish my dinner, and afterwards she is using the same denture and she is finishing her food, her dinner." So here our chapter number 7 by the name Hashya Yoga, humorous joke, is over. You may note down all the words in your notebook.